You know, you do some crazy shit on drugs, like sleep with people you don't mean to. I wonder just how high you'd have to be, or how much money would be involved, or power, to sleep with this. Now, that is Douglas Emhoff. That is this chick's husband. And as you're well aware, this chick is on the cover of Vogue magazine, a propaganda machine. And this is all speculation, let's just say that. But the question I have, and the question that many people around the nation have, is how this chick's husband owns a large percentage of Ablemarle. And Ablemarle is the mining company that is reopening the lithium mines in North Carolina in 2026, who has met well, the people of North Carolina ain't fucking going, right? They didn't want it. And it just happens to be that that area that is destroyed in North Carolina holds one of the largest lithium deposit finds in the world, okay? And it just happens to be, right, that a large percentage of the ownership of Ablemarle is represented by BlackRock and Vanguard. Matter of fact, in August of this year, about the same time that the mining company in Wyoming opened up a whole bunch of investments, BlackRock bought another 2.4 million shares of Ablemarle. I don't know, it's some crazy number of holdings that they have. And as you know, Vanguard will be doing, along with the Canadian company, WSP, okay, will be doing the home inspections and declaring whether or not your home can be salvaged or rebuilt, or that you have to fucking move, right? Which happens to be another large owner of Ablemarle. And the chick in the picture, well, her husband, he owns a lot of it. I wonder if we could find out what the pack, because see, you can only give so much money to a candidate. But I wonder if we could find out just how much money BlackRock, Vanguard, Ablemarle, and this Wyoming company called American Rare Earth, I think it's called, that's got one of the largest rare earth finds in the whole fucking world, makes China look stupid, makes China look, you know what I mean? We all know. All right, and so, but you never see Chinese porn stars, for sure. But I wonder if we could find out just how much money has been donated to their PACs and the PACs that represent them. If somebody can hit me up with that, I appreciate it. We'll cover that too. And this is all speculation, because it's fucking true. We're heading to North Carolina today. Hallelujah. Amen. God bless you. Fluid English.